สวัสดีค่ะ everyone! Monday! New recipe! I am very happy to show you today's dish because I love it and I haven't eaten it for a while now. The name is Massaman Gai. It's curry soup with potatoes and chicken or beef. Are you ready? Let's go! Start by cutting potato. Don't cut it too big chunks to avoid too long cooking time. Why you feel me? Stop! Gosh! Cooking time! Start with peanuts. There is one round. I let my boyfriend check the cooking. And another one, I check it by myself. Can you guess which one? You have to remove the skin of peanuts before cooking. Add coconut milk. Massaman curry paste. Mix it well. Add chicken. Add peanuts. Palm sugar. Add potato. Add Tamarin sauce. Add fish sauce. Add onion. Cover it and let it cook for 20 to 30 minutes until potatoes and chicken are cooked. And voila! Bon appetit! If you wonder for the paste, I bought it because it's difficult and long to cook, and also the ingredients are quite difficult to find. Just like me, you can buy the paste in almost any Asian store. If you enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing and hit the bell to receive a notification when I add a new one. Sharing is caring, so please care a lot. Leave a comment and shop that like button. Thank you for watching. See you next Monday. ขอบคุณค่ะ บ๊ายบาย